In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate two-factor authentication on Pinterest. After creating your Pinterest account, later you want to add some level of security by enabling your two-factor authentication. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Pinterest homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Proceed to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. Then on this interface, continue to tap on settings. This will land you on an interface like this. Among the bunch of menus, proceed to tap on security. So there you are. In order for you to enable your two-factor authentication, all you have to do is to proceed to toggle on this. Then make sure to follow the subsequent instructions. Here you need to provide a new password, then you have to confirm it again. After that, you proceed to tap on done before you can activate your two-factor authentication. And once that is done, you have successfully activated your two-factor authentication on Pinterest. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.